Welcome to my math part. I prepared a series of topics in this one big part just to showcase you all. We've got parts of types of angles, fractions, Roman numerals, measurement, and even business mathematics. So let me get started. So, types of angles. What is an angle? An angle is when two rays combine together with one common endpoint. It is known as an angle. So there are many different types of angles, such as zero angle, which measures exactly 0 degrees. Acute angle, it measures less than 90 degrees but more than 0 degrees. Then we have right angle, which measures exactly 90 degrees. Then we have obtuse angle, which measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Then we have straight angle, which measures exactly 180 degrees. Then reflex angle is an angle that measures more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees. Then a complete angle is an angle that measures exactly 360 degrees. So let's come over here. Fractions. Fractions have many types such as proper, improper, unit, etc. So here I have prepared a quarter fraction in which one whole is divided into 4 different parts. You might be asking yourself, what is a fraction at first? A fraction means a part of a whole or a part of 100% as you can see. So here I prepare 1 by 4 means quarter or 25%. Then this is 50% or 1 by 2, or we can also say as 2 by 4. Then here we have 75% or 3 by 4. Then this is 1 whole or 4 by 4, or we can even say 100%. Then Roman numerals. I prepared a Roman numeral wheel just to showcase you numbers from 1 to 20. So there are 7 main numerals which are used to build all these numbers. 1 is I, 5 is V, 10 is X. Then we come over here, 50 is L, 100 is C. There are also 2 more. D is for 500, M is for 1000. So let me tell you all about them. 1 is equal to I. 2 is equal to double I. This is one rule. Only I, X, I, X and C and even M are the only ones that can be repeated, but they can only be repeated 3 times. And when there is a smaller number, the equal value numbers are together, they will be added. If a smaller value number is in front of a bigger value number, then they will be added. If a bigger value number such as 5 or V is in front of a smaller value number, which is I, they will still be added. Then this one means for subtraction, that one means for addition, means bigger. 2 is for double I, 3 is for triple I, 4 is for IV, 5 is for V, 6 is for VI, and this one continues on. Double X, as I said, means 20. Then double C means 200 and etc. So let's come over here to measurement. Measurement can be varied from length, weight to even capacity of measuring liquid. To measure liquid, only a few things are used. So those are milliliter, liter and sometimes kiloliter. There is also gallons as a unit that is very generally used in all around the world. Then we have weight. Weight can be measured from different types, from weight scale to digital weight scale, which are measured in grams, milligrams, kilograms and even tons. Here I have prepared a weight scale in which if you put one item here, then in the opposite side, since it will be lighter, pause. So here is one stone. Since it will be heavier in this cup and lighter since there is nothing, then of course this one fall down. If I put this, I prepared a weight scale which is popularly used in measuring kilograms and grams. See, since If nothing is on the opposite side and there is something heavy in one side, then the opposite side will be lifted up since it is lighter than the other side. If you want to balance, then we need to put an equal amount of weight on both, such as in this there is nothing and this there is nothing. But they're still balancing because the two cups are of the same weight, which allow them to balance. If I add anything, the balance will be broken. Then let's move on. Then here is business mathematics. Money is essential for a man's living in this world. There are two main things that are normally used: cost price and selling price. Cost price or CP is used when we buy something from a seller. Then a selling price. Selling price means SP, or in which we sell something to someone. So there are many formulas using cost price and selling price. If selling price is greater than cost price, then the man gains a profit. If the selling price is greater than the cost price is greater than the selling price, then the man suffers a loss. There is also profit percentage and loss percentage. Both of these are calculated on the cost price of an item. Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. There is also more things used such as principal, simple interest, amount, even time and rate of interest. So principal has two formulas to find it out. Either simple interest into 100 divided by rate of interest into time, or amount minus simple interest. Then there is simple interest. To find it out, PRT divided by 100, or principal into rate of interest into time divided by 100. Then amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Time is found out when simple interest into 100 divided by rate of interest into principal. Then we have rate of interest, which is equal to simple interest into 100 divided by time into principal. These are all the formulas that are generally used in our daily life to find out the amount we will get, the interest and everything else in business mathematics. Thank you and please visit again.